Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show how you can make a digital planner and sell on Etsy.com. So, to s- to make a digital planner, you need a editing tool and you need an idea. So, let's start. It's we can take idea from these people who are already selling in this it's Etsy.com website. I've selected these two, like we can see, and this is a good product that we can sell. As you can see, this product have been made for one time and its sales is about like its reviews is 2934, and this you can see as 401 rupees. It's about a $5 in India, and it's like $15 in India. So you can say a $5 or $15 you have to make one time, and it will give you a passive income. So let's make. I am using Canva app to make this. So you can use Canva. It's a best tool that you can use for build this. So when you will log into Canva, this interface will be there. So what to do? You have to go to search button and simply search as digital planner. You can just check. I'm making a digital planner for 2023. You can take here from either from here. As we can see, the top seller person is also doing like same. You can just take the template and edit for yourself. This template is looking good. I can do this, or we can see more templates. Let's make this. This is looking good. Okay, just go to customize template. Here we can see our template is ready. How we can make a smart digital calendar. You like let us add pages. You can add pages here. Let us select this 2023. It's there. So we can change background is looking good. Let's make it at same, or we can change something that will look good. We can do this. No, this is looking good. We can change this image also. You can see a background image. We find a good image. We can change this image. A landscape, it will look good. It's also looking good, pretty. We can do this. This is looking much better than that previous one. We can add here some designs also. Let's add a monthly. Like month. You can add like this, a monthly planner that will be edited, that can be edited. You can just go like this. You can select the month. Okay, let's do for every month. Like first month, like we can add here page, or we can drag. Like we can just like we can do, and we can like for month of we can add this also, or this. We can add this, or this is looking good. This is looking better. We can add this. We can make here a template. We can just select this. Let's take a good background. Or we can take landscape background also, or you can change it. I am taking here a landscape background. Let's select a darker one. It's look better. We can select this. This looks good, pretty nice. We can select this. You can write at the top monthly goals. It will look good. We can we can write all month's name and a message, like here message box at last. That will be a good idea. Let's make it this upward font is looking good. We can set here as monthly goals or ideas, like goals, at goals. We can make it short, like zoom. We can go like upward, make up. We can do like this. We can just small the font like this. Monthly goals. Let us change the image. Let us change the effect and font also. It's not looking good in this. And write like this. Do like monthly goals. Let's change the effect. Effect is not looking good. No, we have to edit this. This effect is not looking good. You can do this, or this. You can do like this. This is looking good. Monthly goals. You can change image. Like you can change this. This is looking better. You can do such small like monthly goals. We will add some lines and some text. Let us add this. First, we can like Jan. We have to place this. Type this. We have to change the color. Let us change to this. We have to change only this color. Change this. Let's effect neon is looking good. It will match, or we can do this also. This looks good. Or let's just make it at matching. Let us make shades. So it's black. And do Jan. Then we can do next. Take same to Feb. Feb. It's like February. It's Feb. Here we can do effect like this. Effect like this. Change color to purple. Not looking good. Purple not looking good. Let us do red. This one. And this outline to black. It will look good. Go to purple or red. Red is looking good. Effects. We can go to like this. Like direction is looking this. This is looking good. We can like match the font size number like 43. Like 43, 43.8, 43.7. It's looking good. Let us draw a line. No, we should not draw. Draw a simple line, then go on elements. A simple line. Add a simple line. You know, like next to this, like line, and longer this line using our this free tool. This. Let us add one more line in front of every. Same distance to this. It should be straight. If it will be not straight, it will not look good. Say this. We have like same. We can do much more like February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We can do like this all. Then we have to do like one by one. That month. We are like we will write here. We will like month of. Like this. We can write like month of this. Let us Add a text. No, we will not add this text. We will add a heading there. Let us increase the size. Month of January, or anything that you want to write. I'm writing Jan. You can write anything like month of Jan. We should change this also toward like look perfect. Let us like in front of this only. January. You can do like Jan here also, or you can extend to this also, but this is looking better. You should not edit this, and the customer will write here whatever they want to write. So you have to create same for the 12 months. So next, let us make a mock-up for this. First, you have to go to edit image. You have to click here, mockups. Then you have to install this in your Canva. Just wait, just create for a mobile. Oh, we have to first you have to let us download this as PNG. Just download it. It's downloading. It's having came here. We can just save it. It's save here. PNG is ready over. You can extract here only. You can edit this. You have to open a new. Let's open this. We'll edit. Just delete all. This all delete it. You should take a A4 size paper that is good for printing, but I'm doing that quickly. That's why you can take A4 size paper also. If something left, you can just let's make a smart mockup. Click edit image, go down, select mockup, then you can create of a mobile. Selecting this, insert the image, insert into image. You can select this image to this mockup. Let's wait until it's making. It's made. Let's make it large, or large, then or make all large. You can do like this. It's looking better and good. Also, we can fit it or fill it. Let us do fill. It's looking good. Fill, and it's looking better. Let us download it. Get our mockup is ready. You can do same as a laptop also, and you can do tablets. A t-shirt is not required in this, but you can do if you want. It's ready. Now you can see you can do in laptops also. If you want to do, you can. Let us go on Etsy and sell it. So to sell on Etsy, you have to make a seller account, and then you have to do. Let's do it. First I'm signing out with this account, and I'm making a new account, or log in with the account and sell on Etsy, or you have previously have an account. You have to just do login. Let's do it. We can go on sell on Etsy option. Get started. Do next. Let's do that. Like next, I can skip this question. Now I'm making a shop. I can list it. Do next. Next shop name. I'm writing any shop name here. Next, I'm adding the photos of my mockup and all things that I have made. Where I have saved, let us see. The front where I have saved, let's see it. This is here, as you can see. So we have to change it to image, or we can just do for now. Yes, we're doing like this. We can add the image of our mockup. Actually, I'm not finding it. Sample calendar. As you can see, I'm not finding it, but we can put this image. You can change the PDF and you can select the image. You have to fill all the titles and all the stuff by yourself. And if you find the video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.